Hi, this is Bob Collects Stamps. I'm probably Bob, but I'm not so sure today. You notice I have a slightly different setup this week, or this time, whatever it is. You may not notice, this may be your first time. Welcome back, whatever. I have a new camera set up, and I cleaned off my work table. I'm not even sitting at the usual end that I sit at. But setting up my new camera and my new system and setting everything in motion and thinking everything was hunky-dory, I just recorded 4 videos. You have to turn on both ends of the new wireless microphone. I didn't, and you can't hear me on those 4 videos. I may intersperse some stuff with that, but just a warning, who knows. The first video was unboxing. Actually, they're all unboxing. I unboxed these. Back in June, I promised myself and announced to social media that I was not buying any more stamps until 2022. But I lied. Apparently I lied. Oh, I have bought some stamps. These went on eBay, foolishly put in King Arthur, got sheets of St. Vincent 1980 something stamps. If you want to see the real stamps, or the better stamps, go see one of my previous videos on King Arthur, including my recent 3D 3D exhibit. You'll find out more about these stamps, and if you have watched any of the 3 or 4 videos I have done on King Arthur stamps, you'll know why I got these. But eBay seller, in addition to that, saw that I had bought these and offered a discount on this. Also St. Vincent Arthur stamps, but this is a special thing where it's got places, little Tales of King Arthur thing, information about the stamps and about the story of King Arthur, and this one of each of the stamps here. All in mint condition. No, I will not be putting this together. It will go in my collection as is. It's my major topical collection. I have all that I know about King Arthur stamps. Almost all of them are in the 3D exhibit. All of them are in previous videos. So, there you have it. That was the unboxing video. Have a good afternoon, and remember, never follow anybody else's rules except be good to yourself, be good to your stamps, have fun, and thank you for watching. This is Bob. This is Bob Collects Stamps. Thank you.